Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, June 24, 2023. Today's video is about 3D Ingenuity. The multicolor, stereo imaging Mastcam-Z on the Perseverance rover zoomed in to capture this 3D close-up, get out your red/blue glasses, of the Mars Ingenuity helicopter on mission Sol 45. That's Earth date 2021 April 5th. Casting a shadow on the Martian surface, Ingenuity is standing alone on its 4 landing legs next to the rover's wheel tracks. The experimental helicopter's solar panel, charging batteries that keep it warm through the cold Martian nights and power its flight, sits just above Ingenuity's 1.2-meter, 4-foot, long counter-rotating blades. 13 sols later, on April 19, Ingenuity became the first aircraft to perform powered, controlled flight on another planet. It has since gone on to complete more than 50 flights through the thin atmosphere of Mars. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.